Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of September 23rd, 2014. I spend an awful lot of my time staring at charts that come from the Trade Navigator software, and the first one we're looking at is a weekly bond market chart here. And after a couple of hard weeks down, they recovered a bit last week, and they look like they're trying to go higher this week. This green moving average in the middle here is around 137.10, and I thought that might hold them, but they look like they're trying to break through it. Now, if they can go through it, I think the next resistance is up at the upper moving average, which is around 138.18. By the same token, the best support, or even the most bullish support, should have come in around 136.10, and they didn't quite get down there. So, I mean, anything's possible. But at this point, after this hard break, it looks like they're recovering. And, if they go up, I wouldn't say that this 138.18 has to stall them if they go up. They could be over 139 and, going to challenge these old highs again. But I don't know that there's a lot to gyrate them that hard this week. So we'll be looking to see if they really are breaking above this 137.10 level. And if they are, 138.18 is the next target. Stocks have a much different situation here. It really looked like this middle moving average here around 1990 ought to be support this week, and clearly they have just trashed that. They're down here in the, I'm going to call it the 1974 area. Let's call it that. And they look like they're trying to break through it. If they do, there's really nothing until they get to the mid-Keltner channel here, which is around 1940. So you could see they can have a real serious break. And I should point out, if they do break that far, that's still well above the previous swing low. So not necessarily the end of the world there. But I actually thought they were holding 1990. At this point, they're down in the 1974 area here, and they still have the possibility of holding that. I mean, I don't want to, call for their death just yet. They have the possibility of holding that and going back up to the upper moving average, which is about 2005. But boy, they are looking a little scary. They've had a couple of really hard days of break. I think you need to look on a daily chart. I think you need to look for reasons to buy them in here and see if they don't hold. But they're certainly looking a little scary, which is, of course, what the best buys look like. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with. Thanks for checking in to see how we're looking at things.